Hello everyone, my name is Talia. Today I'm going to talk about the final design response to Kiwi-Kurara flood. I've divided my presentation into 3 parts, including background, final design response, and conclusion. Let's move to the first part, background. Kiwi-Kurara is located in Western Australia, which is one of the remote indigenous communities. It is established in 1980s. It is very close to the Alice Springs and other communities, but Kiwi-Kurara is located in low-lying area. What should be prioritized at is the climate. Kiwi-Kurara has a huge temperature differences in one day, which lead to it located in desert area. Second, Kiwi-Kurara has unusual heavy rain, and there are limited or no drainage in the community, so which lead to the flood event in 2001. There are some issues in community. First is the flood event. The water flow in their houses, so they have to leave their home, and the community has limited cleaning service and a limited water supply, so this is serious problem need to be addressed. Let's move to the next part, final design response. Based on the emergency scenario in Kiwi-Kurara and the research, I designed a water barrier dam. This is the multifunctional dam. It could be effective address these issues in the Kiwi-Kurara. I tried to use different type of plastic to make the physical prototype and trying to make it more realistic. Let me introduce the water barrier. The water barrier have 2 different sizes. The small size is for home. The larger size is for the community. Also, I set up a color pattern of my designs, which is from the landscape of Kiwi-Kurara and some Aboriginal artwork, which including brown, orange. The most important part is the function. There are 3 functions of the water barrier. This water barrier is a protective wall to prevent the water from entering the home. And the second function is dewatering. When in the heavy rain, their insides also still have some water, so the water can flow outside while the pump and the reflex flow. And the most interesting function is the water filter. The water in the outside can be flowed via the water filters and then stored in the water storage. Let me explain more further. The water filter have 3 layers, including UV light, carbon black filter, and basic filter. It can filter contaminated water so that the residents in Kiwi-Kurara could drink some fresh drinking water and have a health condition. The filtered water can be saved in 2 different areas. Let's look at the picture. The yellow circle line, which means the community water barrier. This area's water could be stored in the water tower. Let's look at the red line. This means the home water barrier. This area's water stored in their home water storage. It could save the water in the flood event. Also, this water barrier is very convenient for the president to use. It can be folded so it's portable. It can filter water via the inflector. Based on the situations in Kiwi-Kurara, I designed a solar power pump, which could save the energy in Kiwi-Kurara. In the dewatering process, the pump and the valve are placed in an important role. The valve can prevent the water return back into the inside. Finally, Aboriginal artwork plays an important role in their culture. They can draw some Aboriginal art on the water barrier, and they can draw anything they want to present and express. For example, they can draw a dog on the home water barrier because dog is an important part in their culture. In conclusion, the water barrier dam can address the issues in the flood event. It can prevent the water entering their homes. It also can store the water so that they have enough water to drink. The residents in Kiwi-Kurara have some health conditions such as the kidney issues. When they drink some drinking water, the kidney issues will be addressed. I think this could be the best solutions to address these issues. Here is my reference. That's all. Thank you.